How to fix sleep mode not working in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to your search icon, and then on the search bar, you'll need to search for control panel and then open it. So once you open it, you will see various options. So here on the category drop down, tap on large icons, and now here search for power options. Tap on it, and then here you'll see uh, change when the computer sleeps. So tap on it, it's on the left hand side, and now you can see put the computer to sleep. So you can see on battery and plugged in. So you need to tap on it and you need to change the timing. Or you can what you can do is you can tap on restore default settings for this plan, so everything will be restored, and then it will help you prevent, like, solve all the errors and glitches. Now after that, what you can do is you can tap on the drop down and then change the timing according to your wish, and then that's it. You can even change the timing for turn on display and then save changes. Uh, it's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.